Come take a look at this new 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 22 on the highway. This Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the option package discount, GVWR, 7,200 pounds, 3266 kilograms, sunroof, power, emissions, federal requirements, all-terrain package, Onyx black, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, jet black, leather-appointed front seat trim, audio system, 8 inches diagonal color touchscreen with interlining, MFM3 SIM HD, engine, 5.3L Ecotec 3 with active fuel management, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED, all-terrain SLT Crew Cab Plus package, customer dialogue network and the tires, P275/55R20 all-terrain, black wall. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.